Hello, hello, it's Agnes, and today, welcome to day 8 of your Attracting Your Dream Job or Work Intensive. So, today, in the description, you have only one YouTube to listen to, and it's a fantastic interview between a guy called James Altucher and the man that started freelancer.com. Now, freelancer.com is like an organization like eBay, but instead of it being product based, it's service based. So I'm not going to tell you too much more because I want you to enjoy this interview, but also it's for those of you that perhaps want something more than a job. You might want to create something. You might want to create working from home. You might want to create opportunities for yourself so that you're not having to go to a job. This is just a slightly different alternative of seeing how someone built up an incredible business through a opportunity that came up for him needing something done, and then it turned into a $1 billion business. So yeah, something for you guys to listen to. And also, just one more thing about it, it is actually a platform that some of you might want to use if you have skills that are relating to this platform. A lot of people get on there and create their own self-employed business, and as you hear that there's a variation of skills and a variation of incredible things that people can do from home as long as they've got Wi-Fi. So that's the first thing. Second thing, you're doing your 70 affirmations today. And the third thing, you're doing your work scene paragraph. So now you should have 6 already done. And after the 15-day workshop, you'll be able to read them daily and continue on, if you like, to keep focusing on that end result that you want. Okay, and also number 4, continue on with listening in the Wallace Wattles, The Science of Getting Rich. And to finish off, I'm going to take you through a work meditation. Okay, so close your eyes and get comfortable and let go of everything, the day, people you have to do things for, things you have to do. This is fully your time to focus on exactly what you desire and to line up with it, living in the end result, mentally and emotionally, as we go through this meditation. So we're going to start with the 6 breaths, in for 4 and out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And last one with a hold. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 4. And breathe out for 4. Now, today, in your mind's eye, I'd like you to imagine you have been at your job or wonderful dream workplace for about a month. Okay, you're going to go ahead in time and you're going to imagine yourself in your workplace, and you've just gone in to make a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, and while the kettle's boiling, you are standing there feeling the appreciation, feeling grateful for the fact that you know what you're doing now. It feels more comfortable. You feel a sense of more relaxedness there, and you really are just having a moment to give thanks for this fantastic role that you are in. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And one more time, breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. As you're standing in the little kitchen, I want you to affirm to yourself, I love my workplace and I love my workspace. I love my workplace and I love my workspace. And one more time, I love my workplace and I love my workspace. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And while you're standing there in the kitchen, you think back and remember when you didn't have this job. And you remember how you felt. You remember how you just were longing for this position, how you were longing to be in this place, how you were longing to have this fabulous dream job, work, career of yours, and that it seemed so far away. And now you can smile and look back at that time and when you were in that state and know that you created this, and know that your focus and your inspired action to apply for certain things, all by word of mouth, got you to this very place today. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And I just want you to focus very gently on the gratitude and the appreciation in the silence for a couple of minutes. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And just a little bit more time. Breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. Now, in your mind's eye, just let that scene fade away. And know you can come back to it and be ahead in time. Practice the ahead in time technique. And as you let it fade away, know you can come back to this anytime you like. And I'm going to count you out of the meditation, and when you're ready, you can open your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you have a wonderful day and that you're really focused on your desire and that it may come to fruition for you very, very soon. And I will see you tomorrow in day number 9.